Hello, I am Vaibhav Pagi. I got an All India rank of 105 in the JEE Advanced 2014 exam, and I am currently pursuing a dual degree course in computer science and engineering at IIT Delhi. So I had started with this with my coaching with IITian Space in class 11th, and 12th class में मेरे को राजेश रामरखियानी सर से मिलने का मौका मिला. तो फिर उन्होंने मुझे अपने पास बुलाया और मेरी पूरी स्ट्रैटेजी जो जेई प्रिपरेशन की थी उसे प्लान करने में हेल्प किया. तो सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री के जो पोर्शंस थे वीक उनको पूछा और फिर उनके रिगार्डिंग मुझे शीट्स देकर पूरा कंसोलिडेट किया फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का मेरा कंसेप्चुअल बेस जो था. फिर वो अपने सब्जेक्ट में आए मैथ्स में. तो मैथ्स में तो जैसे वो है ही मास्टर, तो उन्होंने अलग अलग टाइप के टेक्निक्स और बेस्ट पॉसिबल सोल्यूशंस बताए और फिर मुझे कुछ अच्छी शीट्स थी जो ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ शीट्स नहीं थी लेकिन उनमें हर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कवर था. तो इसलिए मेरे को भी लगा कि मतलब मैं ये अपने जेई कोर्स तक सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ. उससे मुझे काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ रिवीजन और जेई मेंस और एडवांस का एग्जाम टैकल करने के लिए. तो मेरी रैंक 105 आने के पीछे एक क्वेश्चन का फासला रह गया जिसमें मैंने पैराबोला के क्वेश्चन में, अगर आप क्वेश्चन पेपर देखेंगे तो उसमें बाय 2 की गलती कर दी. उस वजह से मेरे 4 नंबर कम आए. ज़्यादा आते तो आज मेरी रैंक आराम से 80 में होती और मैं बीटेक कर रहा होता. तो मेरा एक और फ्रेंड है सृजन गर्ग जिसकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 21 आई, वो हमारे साथ ही पढ़ता था. और आर के सर की सिर्फ एक बात जो मैंने ठीक से नहीं मानी वो थी कि कैलकुलेशंस पे ध्यान दिया करो, जो कि उसने मान ली और उसकी इवेंचुअली कैलकुलेशंस में गलती नहीं हुई और उसकी अच्छी रैंक आ गई. तो फ्यूचर एस्पायरेंट्स के लिए ये वार्निंग समझे या सजेशन, लेकिन ऐसी गलती बिल्कुल मत करना वरना तुम्हें भी 1 साल दोहराना पड़ सकता है अपना. चाहे क्वेश्चन कम कर देना लेकिन जो करके आओगे मार्किंग ठीक से करके आना, सोल्यूशन पूरा एक बार देख लेना, सब कुछ आंसर एटलीस्ट ठीक निकालना, क्योंकि ऐसी गलतियों में मार खाओगे तो फिर तुम्हें भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Say that anybody who wishes to crack JEE should take guidance from RK sir. He's an exceptional teacher, and more than the maths he taught me, it was his methodology and how to crack papers and how the way you think. That's the most important thing he taught me. And even though during the exam, I mean particularly JEE exam, my paper was going really bad. It was only what he had told me, I mean how to think during the papers and to keep a mentality, how to do everything. That's what made me come clear IIT. And I would suggest anybody who wishes to clear IIT, just take guidance from RK sir and just follow whatever he says without any second thought, because when you first do it you always try to deviate. You think should we do that, should we do this, never think anything, just follow it, you will clear it.
When I was in 11th standard, I came to Rajesh Ramrakhiani sir, basically known as RK sir, and the whole 2 years I used to be with him and he taught me everything in maths, not regarding maths but also the concepts of physics and chemistry. It was not regarding only academics, it was something different, something more than academics. He used to tell me how to strategize for JEE preparation, how to plan yourself so that you can optimize your result. He used to tell each and everything. It was more than that I can express in words. एकेडमिक्स के बारे में मैं कहूँ तो मैंने हर एक बात जो उन्होंने कही वो फॉलो किया है. एंड फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री में मतलब मुझे लगता है कि एक ही टीचर तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में कैसे बता सकता था, वो बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइजिंग था. बट यस, इट इज़ समथिंग that I cannot express in words. RK sir is the best teacher I have seen and ever I have met. Means from last 3 to 4 years, I think 3 to 3.5 years I am being with him. And one more thing I would like to say that JEE is not that much tough exam that we consider. Yes, it's very conceptual exam but anyone can do it. बस तुम अपने साथ जेन्युइन रहना, प्रामाणिक रह के पढ़ाई करना, इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच इज़ नीडेड टू क्रैक JEE. एंड टुडे मैं यहाँ हूँ, मुझे मतलब सारा क्रेडिट मैं किसी को देना चाहूँगा, वो RK सर है.
RK sir taught maths in a very nice way, very interesting way, and his method of teaching is truly genuine. RK sir not only taught maths but he also gave us good guidance in how to handle all the 3 subjects PCM for JEE, and that helped me a lot to get into IIT.
मैंने 2006 में ऑल इंडिया रैंक 241 से IIT क्लियर किया था और मैं सोचता हूँ कि उस रैंक में रामरखियानी सर का रोल बहुत अच्छा था. एंड इनफैक्ट उन्होंने खुद का सब्जेक्ट ही नहीं, जो और सब्जेक्ट थे उनमें भी काफ़ी हेल्प करते थे.
एंड इनफैक्ट सब्जेक्ट्स ही नहीं, वो जो हमारी थिंकिंग है और जो वे ऑफ अप्रोच जो होती है उसको काफी अफेक्ट किया था। तो जो उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का वे था वो सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स में हेल्प नहीं करता था, वो और सब्जेक्ट्स में भी काफी हेल्प करता था।
His way of teaching maths is very nice. He always suggests us to learn the fundamentals in wordings and always write it down in the question. His method of mental revision is very nice and very useful for practicing for IIT JEE. He has been a great teacher. He takes personal interest in every child. He makes sure everyone understands what he is teaching. Usually teachers just come into the class and teach everything to students and do not care to know if students have actually got the basic thing or not, but he makes it sure that everyone knows the right thing in the right way. It has been a great honor to study under him, and I will always remember him as the best teacher of my life.
It's a pleasure being taught by RK sir. He is the best teacher that I've encountered during my experience, and he is an absolute gem of a person. So he trains you for IIT JEE in two things. One, of course, is mathematics. And talking about mathematics, he's a genius. He's an absolute genius. But every genius can't teach. RK sir teaches you in the most natural way possible. And it is for sure that the things that he teaches you, you'll remember for life. Take for example, permutation and combination. PNC. The way he's taught it, I am sure, let alone India, nobody can teach it the way he does across the world. I have never forgotten his fun day, the way he teaches PNC. He teaches it in a way, आप भूल ही नहीं सकते उसको. इतना naturally आएगा आपको कि भूल ही नहीं सकते. तो एक तो आपका maths का ट्रेनिंग हो गया. And then the second thing which is even more important than maths is strategy. वो आपको बताते हैं कि how do you prepare for IIT JEE. नहीं सिर्फ मैथ्स ही पढ़ना नहीं, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, सर मैं अभी कैसे पढ़ूं, मैं स्ट्रैटेजी क्या बनाऊं, शुड आई रीड राइट नाउ, शुड आई प्रैक्टिस दिस नाउ, क्या प्रैक्टिस करूं, उसके लिए वो आपको ऐसे टिप्स देते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स देते हैं कि अगर आप उनकी बात सुनते रहो तो आपका क्लियर होना ही होना है IIT JEE. दैट इज फॉर श्योर. उनकी जो स्पेशल शीट्स होती हैं वो खुद बनाते हैं. ही चूजेस क्वेश्चंस, आपके क्वेश्चन बैंक होगा, आपको वो देते हैं, और अगर आप वो कर लो तो अगेन फंडे क्लियर है, प्रैक्टिस आपकी हो गई है, और क्या चाहिए.
Initially when I joined his class, I was just average at maths, but RK sir's simplified and logical teaching techniques made concepts very easy to grab. Instead of just providing us with techniques to tackle a specific problem, he actually taught us how to think before approaching a problem. He familiarized us with basic principles underlying the concepts that actually gave us the feeling of the concepts, which I actually miss now in IIT. RK sir also has an exclusive set of tricks and lines covering almost every concept, which if applied properly makes the problem solving very proficient as required by JEE. Apart from being an awesome teacher, RK sir is also a very good mentor and motivator. He provided us with time-to-time strategies regarding preparation, which I think is as important as the subject matter which we are taught. His strategies included also the way how to prepare for physics and chemistry. Learning from RK sir was a life-changing experience for me. I think one of the best I had till now. Even now I am in contact with RK sir and come to visit him as often as I can. For future IT aspirants, I would like to say that the biggest thing that you can all do from the side is to believe in yourself. Hard work can only pay if it is supported by proper guidance. Today it's time to study smart instead of studying harder, and for that RK sir's guidelines are more than enough, and rest you can all learn from RK sir himself.
The things taught by him are just to the point. तब बाकी कोचिंग्स में देखते हैं टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं, यहाँ पढ़ा दिया वो पढ़ा दिया, कोर्स में नहीं है चीज़ें कोई पढ़ लो, बच्चों को पढ़ने मज़ा भी आता है, लेकिन जो आगे से पढ़ाते हैं टू द पॉइंट, जो IIT में हेल्प करता है, सिर्फ ओनली दोज थिंग्स, एंड दैट हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन रिविजन ऑल्सो. हम लोग जब रिवाइज करते हैं तो बहुत चीज़ें होती है पढ़ने को, लेकिन RK सर के नोट्स होते हैं बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट, परफेक्ट, और IIT JEE में सिर्फ उतना हेल्प करता है.
learning in RK Sir class was a great experience. So RK Sir is such a great teacher. He has some magic in him. So he established such a great connection between the students and himself that we don't even know that we get to learn so many things in just a few hours. And the way he teaches, the way he makes so difficult things so simply, so easy that just it gets into our mind so deep that we cannot forget in these things. And what I may suggest to future IIT aspirants that believe in RK Sir from deep inside our heart, and sure you will not regret that thing.
Indeed, frankly telling you that his was the only class during my 2 years of studies where I could sit continuously for 6 hours and study for full enthusiasm and interest from the beginning till the end. The way he illustrated the concepts and made the subject interesting never required the reference of any other material either for the theory or for the questions. The best part of his teaching was the tricks and the shortcuts he told us. During whenever I gave the exams, those tricks and concepts indeed helped me and helped me save the time.